Okay, the first lick that we'll be working on will include some kind of minor scale. In this case, we'll be working with a minor pentatonic scale. We'll try to include something like that, and also a major pentatonic scale. So either way you want to really take it up, good for you. All right, let's get into this thing without much ado. The first funk lick we'll be working on today will be very cool stuff to try. All right, let's take it bit by bit till we get the note, then before we get into working it with a backing track. All right. Alright, let's try to use the backing track and see how it feels with the backing track. Alright, that was cool. The next thing you want to do is to try it out with different keys. Then take your time and have fun. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel, and do well to turn up the notification button so that when I post new videos like this, cool contents like this, you'll be notified. Alright, happy shading. Enjoy.